Hey everyone, this is Rishabh, and in this video we will look onto the how we can set up our first Angular 6 application in Windows. For that you need to download our Node.js. So you can get this from this website, and you have to download to this. And after downloading it to your PC, you can run this command, which is npm install and Angular CLI. After running this command, you will download the Angular application or Angular dependent files to your PC. After running it, you will get some messages, and you can check you're downloading the right version or not by this command. After running to this, you will get your Angular version. So as you can see that I have Angular CLI of 6.25 and the new version that I am using is 8.12.0. So this is how we have set up our first Angular application. And now let's create our first para of Angular 6. So you can create your new application by ng. So ng name, and after this you have to give your project name. So here project name can be anything, so I'm giving FreeMap as a project name. So after this, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to download all the dependent file, and it will create all the dependent file like all this file and all the setup environment, which will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So basic project is ready. Now we can code onto it. But in my case, I'm using my Visual Studio Code. You can also use any of the code editor, but I think it is I will recommend you to use this. So first check the directory. Okay, after getting it, you have to change the directory from FreeMap. Okay, so if you want to open the code editor, so you can simply write code dot. So after this you will jump onto the Visual Studio Code. So you can see it is opening. So after opening the Visual Studio, you will get these files. This is nothing but just a boilerplate code. You need to focus on only the app folder, in which the main file is app of component of ds, which is basically a TypeScript file, and you will also have this HTML file that you will see on your front end. Okay, so this is your web application, that is the regular web application. So if you want to run this application, you can go to the code editor, you can go to the command line, and you can simply run this command ng serve. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so after running the ng serve, you will get to know that your Angular project is live now, and you can run your web application from this localhost 4200. So let's open the Chrome browser, and here you can run your application here. So after applying this URL, you will direct it to your web application, and in the next video I will tell you how you can customize this application by your project.